Hello, welcome to today's video. This is a very important one, as you've seen from the title. We have the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's get into this. Right, let's get straight into this. So the box, from what I've seen, like what I had last time, the iPhone X, this packaging is tiny. And there it is. Oh, dang. It's actually not that much bigger than my phone, to be fair, in the case. But here it is. So, oh, look at that. Bum ba da bum. You push them apart. And then it comes out. Oh, it's heavy. It is heavy. Right, so here we go. iPhone 13 Pro Max. So no plastic wrap this time. Nothing. It's all just this little tab. So let's get this little tab. And yeah, it's quite a satisfying pill. There's another one. Very nice. Right, here we go. Oh, that is gorgeous. Mate, that is. Look at the sides. Oh, my sweaty hands already made a mess on it. Let's get the pill in the microphone. You ready? Oh, baby. That is humongous. Like, comparing it to my iPhone 10. That is just awesome. That is, wow. I'm actually quite shocked because I've not actually seen an iPhone 12. I was going to buy it and I'm glad I waited, but oh my, it's like a brick, but a very thin brick. I mean, apparently it's thicker than my, oh yeah, it's thicker than my phone. Wow. Oh man. Powering it on for the first time. Look at that, all screen. So yeah, this is the smaller notch. It is very, very much smaller than the normal iPhone that I have. Let's actually turn dark mode off. See, once you've got dark mode enabled, you don't notice it. So there you go. That's the difference in size between the notches. I mean, just look at it in my hand. You can see the difference. That is mental. Right, thank you very much for watching. A very quick unboxing. I had to run home from work to go and do this, so hit the like button, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. I will be doing a full review of this phone tonight when I get home from work, so hopefully that should be ready for tomorrow. Thank you very much. I'm Lee. Fly safe, land safer.